Assalamualaikum, good morning and hi everyone. My name is Nur Syuhada Alia and I will be presenting our final group project 3D Portal Adventure. So our group consists of 4 members. The first one is Nur Hanisa binti Othman, followed by Amira Batrusha binti Muhammad Shah, Nur Syuhada Alia binti Dasiril, and Aishatul Alia binti Abdul Rahim. So our theme for final group project is Travel and Culture Explorer. The targeted SDG for our project is SDG 4 and SDG 11, which is SDG 4 is quality education, while SDG 11 is sustainable cities and communities. Our SDG goals is to allow users to explore and learn about Korean cultural heritage through immersive environments.
Okay, now I will show the demonstration of our project. Okay, first, this is introduction scene. Here you will get short brief about the project through script by script information. Then for the last script, it will ask you a question to explore the Korean culture and tradition. So here, the question, then you will click the button and it will appear to the next scene. So here we got NPC. When you go near, you can interact by pressing E. The dialog will appear and you can click enter to read the next script. Here you can see the instruction to speak with the pink guy like him, and it also mentions to collect 5 flowers to go to the next environment. So we will explore this village and collect all flowers. So there is another pink guy, so we interact with it. It tells you about kimchi. It tells you the information of Korean traditional food. So here we have a set of kimchi preparation. So we collect another flower and find the other pink guy. So we try to interact with this. Here it tells you about the dining, the manners, the ethics of dining at Korea. Here it tells you about corn cobs. Means every pink guy have different information of Korean cultures and traditions. So as you can see at the right bottom, we have flowers collected 5 over 5. It means we have collect all the flowers. And then you can see there is light that spark, shows you that the portal is activated. Then you will see the portal, and when you go, it will trigger the sound and bring you to the next scene. So in the next environment, you need to interact with the pink guy first, and it will tell you about what is the environment about. So then you can interact with the guard too. The voice is different with the pink guy NPC because we want to show that this is another NPC. So when you go in, you can learn about the Korean traditional games. First it has Yunori. Next, this is about Dakji. And then we can also interact with the screen. It will show you video about how to play the games. And then here is another video. And as you can see, this has animation. And we also have traditional music instruments. As an example, this is pipa. When you interact, it will trigger the sound of pipa. Same goes to the other music instruments. Then we interact with the hanbok lady. It will tell you about Korean traditional uniforms, which is hanbok. Okay, that's all for the demonstration.
Interactivity and GUI. Our project includes the following simple interactive features, which are clickable cultural objects, info panels, text pop-ups for learning, simple, intuitive interface with consistent layout, and collectible items, which are flowers. For design decisions, art style, we use soft lighting, calm colors, and traditional architecture. For interaction design, easy click to learn system, storytelling, visual and object-based education, and scene contrast, village, which symbolizes humble life, and palace symbolizes grand history.
Okay, now I would like to share some of the main challenges we faced during this project and how we overcame them. The first challenge was having limited cultural assets. Since we didn't have access to many detailed Korean cultural models, we chose to use simple 3D models and focused only on key cultural objects to still convey the message effectively. Second, we struggled with balancing visual and learning content. To solve this, we kept the task minimal and made sure that the educational messages were short and clear, so that players could focus without feeling overwhelmed. Last, we wanted to make sure that the history felt alive and not boring, so we added ambient sound and atmospheric effects to create an immersive environment that helps user connect emotionally with the scene. Before we wrapping up with the conclusion, I will be sharing our SDG reflection and how our project aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals, which is SDG. Okay, first, our project supports SDG 4, which is quality educations, where players are given the opportunity to learn about Korean culture, history, and lifestyle in an engaging and interactive way. Through storytelling and gameplay, users are not just entertained but also educated. Second, it relates to SDG 11, which is sustainable cities and communities, particularly in terms of cultural preservation. Our content promotes respect for cultural identity and helps users understand the value of heritage. Overall, our project encourages players to appreciate how culture and heritage shape communities and inspires them to respect different traditions and histories around the world. So we believe that this kind of digital experience can be both impactful and meaningful in promoting global understandings.
To conclude, this project lets players explore two culturally rich environments, which players can learn about Korean village traditional and royal history. It supports SDG 4 and SDG 11 by promoting education through exploration and showing the importance of preserving cultural heritage.
감사합니다.